Hello Barbie lovers, welcome back to another unboxing and review video from Fantastic Life in Plastic. Today we're gonna be reviewing one of my newest editions. I haven't opened it. I opened the box a bit, but I still haven't taken her out from her package. I was really looking forward to getting this doll because I saw videos and pictures and she just looks gorgeous. So let's see what she looks like. Before, remember, if you're still not following me on Instagram, is Fantastic Life in Plastic. I'm usually posting pictures of outfits I make myself. I'm learning to do outfits for my Barbies. I mix and match sometimes with some of the official clothes. So remember to follow me, remember to subscribe to this new channel. I'm gonna be unboxing and doing some tutorials as well. I'm planning to teach. I am learning myself how to sew, so I can also teach people how I'm learning. So subscribe. And now let's see. Yes, the Puma Barbie. She looks really good. Oh my god, I really love her. She looks really beautiful. Let's take her out from her box. I saw some pictures of this doll. I saw a couple of videos, and that actually motivated me to buy her because it just looks really stunning in every picture and video that I saw. Okay, here she goes. I like the box as well. It's quite pretty. But this one I'm not gonna keep in a box. I want her out. I want to play with her. She looks really stunning. Let's have a look at her face. Beautiful face. So now let's take it out from here. First of all, what is this? What do we have here? So we have the certificate of authenticity, blah blah blah, Barbie. Puma Barbie doll. The stand. Now all this annoying plastic. I mean, I know it helps to protect them, but it's really annoying when you're trying to take them out. The other day I actually accidentally cut a little bit of the dress of one when I was doing this with the scissors, so this time I'm going to be really careful because I don't want that to happen again. So let's see if she's coming out already. Yeah, here she comes. There's another one here. Okay. Okay, so for those who know and those who not know, I usually name all my Barbie dolls. Haven't chosen a name for this one yet. If you have any suggestion, I can take them into account. So if you have an idea for a name for this one, just let me know on the comments or go on my Instagram and let me know there. Because I don't really have a clue yet what I will name this one. Okay, here she is. I didn't destroy anything this time, so that's good. What is this? Oh, it's just a little thread. Okay. Oh, she's got some really beautiful pink highlights on her hair. I love it. Oh, this plastic I need to remove as well. These ones are the most annoying. Jump right into my face. Okay, so what is this? Huh. I wonder how am I supposed to remove this one from here. Okay, seems like we're gonna have to do it with that. Okay, the ones on her hands we can remove. So far so good. She looks really stunning. Oh, she's got her nails done. She's got some pink nail polish with matches. Basically everything she's wearing. Her shoes, her lipstick, her hair, everything is pink, which I of course love. Okay, so it's gonna be a bit tricky to actually remove her clothes as well, because look, you can see it's all sewn together, so it's really annoying. So first glance, she looks really good. I love her clothes. I love this oversized jacket. The top is gorgeous. It's this little fishnet here. The sleeves as well. Actually, I think it's long sleeved. Yeah, it is really nice. Earrings are beautiful too. Let's see if we can remove them. Oh, yep, we can remove the hoops. That's perfect. I have some other earrings I would like her to try on. Let's put this one back for now. She's got this ponytail holding her hair, her beautiful sunglasses. Look at that face. Isn't she gorgeous? She is really stunning. And here, wow, I saw this and I thought they were just stripes, and it actually says Puma on it. I didn't notice that on the pictures. I just thought they were stripes. That's a nice detail. Let's have a look at her shoes. They are so beautiful. Look at that. They have this little Barbie ball on the back. They're really pretty, and they say Barbie. Doesn't completely say Barbie, but should be there. I think it's fade out. Well, that's a shame. Still, I love them. They are really nice. I have some other shoes here. I just want to see. Yeah, I mean, she's got a made to move body, so any shoes should fit. Let's try with this one. I love this shoe. Oh, yeah. Hello, welcome back. Don't you hate when you're filming a video and then suddenly the camera runs out of battery? Well, that happened, but it actually gave me the opportunity to just remove all her clothes and change her into something. It was actually quite tricky because all the pieces were sewn together. So here are the trousers she was wearing, as I was mentioning before. It says Puma on the legs. Maybe you noticed it before. I didn't. I thought they were stripes. Here we have the top. It's really pretty. Though it's actually quite tricky to put back. I tried to put her back after I removed her, and it gets tangled on her fingers. So yeah, you have to be really careful. I'll have to be very careful when I put it back. And finally we have this precious jacket. It's really beautiful. When I was removing her clothes, I had a hard time with this because the sleeve was actually taped into her arm. It was taped to her arm, so yeah, it was difficult, and then I had to remove the piece of tape, but after that it was all done. This is really pretty. It's actually good quality. There's a little Barbie tag. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. That's lining and everything. It's really detailed, really pretty. Love the mini zipper it has. Shoes, we already talked about them. Beautiful. And here she is. So first things you notice is that I put something on her hand. Why did I do that? Because she comes with a ring. It's the Puma ring, but I think the best idea they got at Mattel was just to put a hole on her hand. So there you can see the hole. Let me see. Yeah, you can see the hole, so the ring actually goes through her hand. But even though it's a nice ring, I'm not just gonna keep her with that ring the whole time. So I used this like stickers I got, crystals, and I put one on top of her hand so it's looking like a ring. Then I put this watch from Fashion Pack, this dress from a fashionista that I love. I just love that dress. I also removed her hoops. You can see I put her on a smaller earring, and I really like this doll. I love the way she looks. I think in the future I'm gonna be changing her hairstyle. I'm gonna be changing her into more outfits. I'm gonna see what ideas I come with to replace her ring, because this one I didn't glue it and it fell, and like sort of fashion another type of ring that doesn't fall without being glued on. I am also gonna keep her on the stand in the meantime because I really like her. Okay, so that was all for today. I hope you really liked her. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, press like, share it, and again, just go to my Instagram and follow me. I usually follow back as long as nobody unfollow me after I follow them back. And I will be posting more pictures of her and my other Barbies on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.